Hi, this is Josiah with Waves Live Product Specialist here at AES 2019. And basically we are showing here Super Rack, which is the next generation of our virtual rack. Technically, Super Rack has been totally redone here, and how the workflow is more user-friendly, and so it accepts multi-touch. So you now have multi-touch, just similar to like our live console. But now we also have more user keys within Super Rack, as well as custom layers here as well, so that you can build out your show file to fit your needs. You still have the hot plugins, just like you would have had in multi-rack. And also on that, you can see through multiple windows here. We have the ability to move windows out, and Super Rack will support up to 4 screens depending on your host computer. So we could drag this out to another screen, or we could close it and it would just go back right, so go to my left hand. It would just go right, there we go. It would close and go right back into the main window there. So with Super Rack, it will support up to 4 screens. On our Axis One host computer, you can run up to 3 because that's what the Axis One supports. But you can also move plugins out. You can also use the rack to go through, and as we're selecting, you can see that we have different plugins popping up. So it makes it easier to get around the software. But also the nice thing about Super Rack and some of the new features of Super Rack is we'll be able to actually share drivers, so you can share the driver in between consoles, or even share I/O. So that's been a big factor. A lot of you will be running Super Rack with any other console out there, like Digico, Allen Heath, Lavo, and in this case, if you had something at front of house, you're running Super Rack at front of house, you can now share that I/O, maybe to another broadcast feed, running maybe LV1 for our live console, or for the live console, or if you want to share it with another console. So it now has the sharing features. Other than that, what we are showing at this show as well is the next version, the next update of LV1. So in this version of LV1 of our live mixer, we will basically have the ability to run the LV1 MyMon app. So we have an app that will now allow musicians to control, basically mix their own monitors on stage. And then from there, on this updated version of LV1, we've also added an additional 8 auxes to the, so I should specify that the 16 channel license, we've added 8 matrices. And then in the 32 and 64 channel license, we've added 8 auxes. So now there's up to, so you got 16 auxes along with 8 effects auxes, and then also 8 groups, 8 stereo groups, and 8 matrices on the full 64 channel license. So it's a powerful little console. A lot of these out in tour right now, in churches, in front of house, and in broadcast positions or monitors. And this same platform works off all the same things that Super Rack does. It's just another host application. It works off of our same Axis One host computer, same servers, and SoundGrid network. But that's just a little overview of a few things we're really showing here on the live side at AES 2019. Thank you.